Пятый класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 64. English, Spotlight 5, Progress check number 4, homework page 64. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. And now, boys and girls, a repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Boys and girls, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please, page number 64. Progress check number 4. Exercise number 1. Look at the family tree and complete the sentences. Посмотрите на семейное дерево и закончите предложение. The answer. Betty is Brain's mother. Sarah is Andrew's sister. William is Simon's grandfather. Betty is Sarah's grandmother. Sue is Andrew's mother. Brain is Jane's brother. Paul is Simon's father. Exercise number 2. Write the opposite. Напишите антонимы. The answer. Short, tall. Thin, thick, fat. Big, small. Exercise number 3. Fill in the gaps, the can, can't. Заполните пропуски формами глагола can, can't. The answer. Can Mary cook well? Yes, she can. Can Bill dance? No, he can't. Can Sue play football? Yes, she can. Can your brother speak French? Yes, he can. Can Tony and Steve paint? No, they can't. Exercise number 4. Circle the correct answer. Обведите правильный ответ. The answer. This is my mother. Look at her. Her. Mrs. Richards is our math teacher. Our. John is my best friend. I tell him everything. Him. U2 is my favorite band. I love their songs. Their. My grandpa is very funny. My. Exercise number 5. Make sentences using the imperative. Составьте предложение в повелительном наклонении. The answer. Don't close the window, please. Come here, please. Be quiet, please. Don't open the door. Don't take my CDs. Exercise number 6. Match the questions to the answers. Соедините вопросы и ответы. The answer. What's your name? Alice. Where's she from? She's from Japan. How old is she? She's 13. Has she got any brothers or sisters? Oh, she hasn't. What's she like? She is very nice. And now we must do task. Now I can. Теперь я могу. Write my own poem using animals similes. Написать свою собственную поэму со сравнениями с животными. The answer. My mom is as busy as a bee. She works all morning and takes care of me. My dad is as wise as an owl. He helps me with my homework. My grandmother is as quiet as a mouse. And she likes our nice house. My sister is as proud as a peacock. And I can't go in her room unless I knock. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.